right, kiddos, today we're going to finish up your project where you are attempting to recruit 40 people, older teenagers, young adults, to come with you to Planet Z, and you have to convince them that their body systems are not going to be significantly harmed during this space travel. Okay, the goal of this is I want you to be able to have an understanding of the human body systems to the level that you can understand how they're impacted and how to protect them. All right, so everything you need, all the resources you need are on Google Classroom in this folder called Planet Z Multimedia Recruitment Campaign. Okay, the instructions and templates, this first document here. Okay, this is where you will find templates for Twitter, for what have you, anything you want. Okay, Instagram, Twitter, anything you are looking for. Okay, you copy this slide and paste it onto your slide, and that way you will have your own page. Okay, so that's one option. Remember, you're going to come up with one media and one system. Okay, now let's go back here. I'm going to show you, this is your individual report. This is what I want you to turn in today, hopefully. We already did Monday and Tuesday. This is where you're going to put your research notes. The main job of the system, impact of space travel on the system. Here's where you put your citation. If you're using the article that I gave you, I already put that into EasyBib and it's in the right format for you. If not, just plug it into EasyBib and paste it here. And this is how will you protect the health of this body system on its journey. And remember, you can make something up. If you have an idea for how you would protect the heart, as long as you're not making stuff up about the heart, that's fine. That would be awesome. Okay, you're allowed to use your creativity here. So if you have a plan, and it's kind of logical, add it in. Okay, and then once you're done your research and reporting on the body system and your research, then you go through and create your media. You're going to paste it right here. You're going to paste your media here, and you're also going to paste it into your group slide. Slideshow presentation. Right? You're going to do great. I cannot wait to see. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. We're going to have the juniors and the seniors take a look at your slideshows after break because they are kind of like the target audience, right? So maybe like after they graduate, they'll want to come with you to Planet Z if you convince them that their bones aren't going to fall apart, that their muscles aren't going to deteriorate, and their heart is not going to just like turn into a sphere and not work properly. Okay, so you've got to do your convincing and have fun.